Shout out to Bando Picks. I just got my prize package from his giveaway. We got the sweet Space Force Kabar. New in the box. Open that in a minute. Got the super cool Kobalt screwdriver set with a bunch of bits. Very nice. Very nice, useful. Work on knives and stuff with this. And prize package, or a sticker pack with, we got 2 of his bigger stickers, 2 of his smaller ones. It's pretty cool. Add it to my collection. Now let's open up this bad boy. The Feast de Resistance. Super cool. Good for cutting open packages or paracord. Very nice. See the sheath. Oh, nice. Looks like friction. Friction sheath. Nice little mounting clip. You put it. How the heck are you gonna put this on you? You gotta. I think I gotta flip it around. You can get sideways though. So you put it sideways so it comes out like that. Very nice. Thanks, dude. Check out this screwdriver set real quick. Well, of course, it's zip tied on. Take the zip tie off. Open her up. Nice. Oh, a little ratcheting. All kinds of bits. Turny, screwdrivery. Very cool. Again, shout out to Bando Picks. Thank you, brother.